Who should fill the Supreme Court seat left vacant by the sudden death of Justice Antonin Scalia? President Obama spending this weekend studying that binder filled with information on potential nominees to the Supreme Court. This morning, a funeral mass will be held for Scalia one day after thousands filed past his casket inside the Supreme Court's Great Hall. And ABC's Devin Dwyer is in Washington with more on this story. Devin, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Dan. 4,000 family and friends of Justice Scalia and more than 100 clergy expected to fill this basilica. The Catholic funeral mass will be celebrated by the justice's son, Reverend Paul Scalia.
This morning, the final farewell to a towering American jurist and father of 9.
May he rest in peace.
Justice Antonin Scalia, lying in repose at the Supreme Court, today will be laid to rest. Sidewalk memorials to the justice, who famously slammed a majority opinion as pure applesauce, adorned with jars alongside the flowers and candles. President and Mrs. Obama were among the thousands who've come to pay respects.
Have a good weekend.
Armed with a binder of research on possible Supreme Court replacements, the president today's preparing for a nomination battle.
The president will be dedicating a significant portion of his weekend digging into that information.
Likely on the list, Judges Sri Srinivasan and Patty Millett, Merrick Garland, and Jane Kelly, all appointed to the federal bench with Republican support.
The Senate does have a right to have a say in who and what the philosophy of the nominee is, but they only get to dispose. The president proposes.
But Senate Republican leaders have said the president's pick is dead on arrival and that replacing Scalia should wait until a new president in 2017. Writing in the Washington Post, the American people, rather than a lame duck president, should be afforded the opportunity to replace Justice Scalia.
And among the attendees, Vice President Joe Biden will represent the Obama administration. Justice Clarence Thomas will deliver a scriptural reading, and there will be at least one presidential candidate in the crowd. Ted Cruz of Texas says he'll attend today. Dan and Paula.
All right, Devin, thank you.